Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you could protect your data in case of a computer physical theft. Your computer gets stolen and the people who stolen your computer will try to make usage of your data. To avoid that, before you will need to encrypt your computer data. If you are running Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, you have to know that there is a software coming with Windows called BitLocker. Go to your search tab and type BitLocker, and you have the BitLocker option will open. If you cannot find it, you can always go back to Control Panel. If you don't have this view, you can always change from category small icon to large icon and go to the first line, fourth option. Once there, click on it, and here you have Turn on BitLocker. As soon as you click on Turn on BitLocker, you might be asked to enter a password to protect your data. What does it do? Well, simply BitLocker will encrypt your hard disk and no one will have access to your data unless they enter your password. If they don't enter your password, which only you know, uh, they will not be able to access your data. And you can always turn it off. However, how does it influence your work? It doesn't influence it much. So basically, when you turn on your computer, you enter your normal password for work, and then you enter a password to encrypt the data, and that's it. You work as normal. Once you turn off your computer, before it turns off, it will encrypt again the data. That's actually what it does. Now with Windows 10, you can just click on the PC shortcut. You locate the hard disk which you want to encrypt. You click with the right button of the mouse and you click Turn on BitLocker. If you have a USB plug to run an external hard disk and you would like to protect it also, just go to it, click with the right button of the mouse, turn on BitLocker, and here, as you can see, BitLocker will start encrypting my hard disk or my SSD. So here you can choose how you want to unlock this drive. Use my smart card to unlock. This will require smart card pin. I will just go for a normal password. So I will just use my name with some numbers, and I will just click next. You can either save it to your Microsoft account if you have already one, or save it to a file, or print the recovery key. That's what I will do. I will just print the recovery key and leave it in my office. Print to PDF. I will name it BitLocker. So in case, for example, you have forgotten your password, you can always have that document printed at home or somewhere in the office, and you can use that password to unlock the BitLocker or to unlock the data. So here I will just select encrypt entire drive. It says exactly slower but best for PCs and drive already in use. I will just click next. Compatible mode or new encryption. You can choose between these two and just click next. Start encrypting. And as you can see, there is this locker which appeared, and now my device is totally protected. It will take few seconds to few minutes to finish, or even to an hour to encrypt everything. However, I wouldn't suggest this if you have 1 terabyte data saved on your hard disk, because it might take quite long time. This is very useful for 500. It goes quite fast, and especially with SSDs, it works really super good. Once done, BitLocker will tell you that the encryption has finished, and all what you will have to do when you try to access again your SSD or your hard disk, you will need to click and type the password. I will just pause the video now, and we will continue once the encryption is completed. So once the encryption is completed, you will see this message: encryption of A is complete. So now you can just go ahead and close, and once you try to open it should be fine. But if we eject the device and try to plug it again, you will see that I will not be able, and I will need E is not accessible, access is denied. So basically, as you can see, now the locker is totally golden and closed, which means that the device is locked. To unlock it, you click with the right button of the mouse, you select unlock drive, and here you will be asked to enter the password. So I will enter my password again. and I will click unlock. Otherwise, I will not be able to access to the data, and guessing or trying to guess the password wouldn't work, and there is no other way to reset the password. And now the device is accessible. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I hope it was straightforward. If you still need help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email, and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us to produce more video tutorials, you can always click like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.